Hello dear students, how are you all? All fine? Okay, today we will practice to make a bird. This is step 1, step 2, step 3 and this is last step, the whole bird. We will follow the all steps, but first step 1. Step 1, make a circle to make a head of a bird. You can take stencils like bottle cap, but I am doing this freehand. Okay, this is circle, and from here this, and like a moon. If you have seen the moon, then you can make it easily. Okay, this is step 1. Now we will make eye. Step 2, a small circle, make it black, eyeball. Okay, now from second line we will make third, like this. This and this. Okay, this is second step. Now step 3, we will make a beak. Okay, fine, and tail of bird, this and this. And this is finished. Now only we have to color the bird. Now you just have to color the bird. It depends on your choice which color you want to color. Yellow, red, orange, blue. These two color I'm going to do. Okay, I've taken orange color. This is orange color. Now brown color. Now I will color the beak with yellow. Now my bird is ready.